In today's video, we're gonna make a hot cocoa in our slow cooker with cocoa powder. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I share lots of family-friendly recipes, short cooking tips, and school lunch ideas. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to cook together twice a week. This recipe is great because you can have a big batch of hot cocoa ready to go that uses ingredients you already have on hand. And I am gonna give you the biggest tip of how to make the hot cocoa mix really well so you don't have the powdery substance on the top. To do that, I am going to take some of the milk and heat it up in the microwave. I'm just gonna heat up about 2 cups. To the hot milk, I'm going to add the cocoa powder directly in it, and then I'm gonna take a whisk and whisk it really well until it sort of incorporates and it's combined. And you can see how the cocoa powder is fully integrated right in here. So now I'm just gonna take that cocoa powder with some of the warm milk and put it directly into my slow cooker. And now I take the sugar, the rest of the milk, and to make it really thick and creamy, I'm adding about a cup of half and half. Then I'm gonna take my whisk and mix it all around. And because I started with warm milk, the sugar is gonna start to get dissolved a lot quicker, so it's never gonna burn at the bottom of my slow cooker. All right, so now that everything is stirred and combined, I'm going to take the lid of my slow cooker, and you can set it for 2 to 3 hours on low or about 45 minutes to an hour on high. This hot cocoa is hot and ready to be served, so the last thing I'm going to do, is totally optional, is add a little bit of vanilla directly into it. What's really important is once the hot cocoa is ready to be served, you change those settings to warm or the lowest possible heat setting in your slow cooker. That way it won't burn at the bottom of your pot. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to always include them in my videos for you. I'm using a ladle with a spout to fill my mug, and then I'm topping it with marshmallows, a few chocolate chips, if you want some cocoa powder. This hot cocoa is so delicious. It's sitting there in the slow cooker, ready to be served. Grab the recipe below the video. See you next time.